You can create and customize your Kami keyboard shortcuts and have the option to share them with others. To customize, start by opening or creating a new document in Kami. On the top right-hand corner, click Help, then select Keyboard Shortcuts. Or you can press and hold down the Shift key and then press / on your keyboard to open the Shortcuts menu. Here, you can also customize the default shortcuts to your choice of key combinations. Just choose the feature you want to edit, then enter a new set of keys as your shortcut. If you're happy with the changes, confirm and voila! Your new keyboard shortcuts have been saved and are ready to use. To share a list of your shortcuts, copy the text in the bar at the bottom of the menu and send away. All they need to do is open the Shortcuts menu in Kami and paste the text in the same bar, like so.